Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Miui 9 Chinese developer ROM on your Redmi 4A without using a computer or without unlocking your bootloader. So this is basically a Chinese developer ROM which is based on Miui 9, and it is a little bit different from the global developer ROM. But the basic difference is, like in Chinese developer ROM, you won't get the Google application pre-installed like Google Play Store, Google Play services, so you can install it manually. And secondly guys, there are 2 or 3 applications like MI Store, MI Remote Control or MI Theme which are in default Chinese language, so you have to uninstall these applications and download the latest English version directly from the Google Play Store. So there is not a big deal, and for those who are desperately waiting to get their hands on Miui 9, they can surely try this Chinese developer ROM. I've been using this ROM from past 2 days and there is no major or minor bugs. And guys, talking about the performance of this Miui 9 ROM on your Redmi 4A, Miui 9 is very optimized in terms of power and performance. Now you'll experience a fast app launching and lag-free system optimization. The battery is also optimized and it will easily last a day even though with a very intensive use. There is a bunch of cool new wallpapers and themes which will change the look and feel of your device in the coolest level. And I have been using this ROM from past 2 days and I haven't encountered any major bugs. And in the conclusion guys, I just want to say that Miui 9 is simply awesome. You can surely try it. And even with the cool new feature, the one big disappointment is strict with this ROM, and that is the split screen feature is missing. And this Miui 9 updated version is still running on Android 6.0, which is Marshmallow, so you won't be getting the nougat update, but you can wait for a couple of months and maybe Xiaomi will release Android update for Redmi 4A. So now let's jump into the installation process, and firstly take a backup of all your data, because this method will erase the data of your internal storage. Alright guys, so now let me show you how to install this Miui 9 Chinese developer ROM on your Redmi 4A. So before installing it, you have to make a backup of all your data, because in this process you might lose your data guys. So before installing this ROM, take a backup, and after that you just have to download this Miui 9 Chinese developer ROM file. The version is 7.9.14. I'll be putting the link directly in the description, so just go there in the description, tap on that link and you will be redirected to the downloading page. So from there you can download this ROM file, and after downloading it, place it into the internal storage of your device. And after placing this file into the internal storage, all you have to do is guys, go into the settings of your Redmi 4A and then scroll down and select about phone option. And from about phone option, as you guys can see that I have this Redmi 4A 2GB variant, and right now I'm on Miui stable version. And from here you just have to select system update, and it will check whether you have a system update or not. And after that, on the top right side corner there will be 3 dots. Tap there and select this option as choose update zip, right? So tap here and then you just have to select that ROM file, and after that selecting, hit OK. And this ROM file will be verified first. So in this condition you must have a working internet connection, and after it get verified, now the decryption process will start. And when it completed 100%, your device will reboot, and before rebooting it will ask you like erase and update. So there will be 2 prompts back to back, so you just have to hit erase and update 2 times, and after that your phone will reboot. And it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to boot up completely. And now you just successfully installed Miui 9 on your Redmi 4A guys. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button. And guys, for any issues or suggestions, my comment box is always open, so you can comment me. And thanks for watching this video guys. That is it for today. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, peace, take care, bye bye.